Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to export video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Open the app and the project you want to export. Select the project and right-click on it. Choose Nest from the list. Enter the name and click OK. This way, we merged all tracks into one. Select the project and go to File tab. Select Export and Media. Choose the format in the new window. There are a lot of them. We recommend H.264. Select Preset. Click on Output Name to set the path and save the file. Check Export Video and Export Audio. Finish up the settings. Click Export. Wait until it's done. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!